Right then, so after some thinking, we're going to go for it. We're going to do like a little house video kind of thing and just see how it goes. So what we're going to do today is we're going to get ready to get this wall out of the way. So I'll just show you exactly what we're actually going to do. So we've got, here's the kitchen at the minute. So what we're going to do is clear all the crap out of the way off the worktops, like toaster, all that goodness, etc. And then we're going to start taking off the cabinets. So we've got space because this wall's going down and that wall's going down. Then what we're going to do, we got to rip the ceiling out. So completely rip the ceiling down. I'm not an electrician, so we're going to leave that up. We're just going to leave a little gap so that when the electrician comes, they can take that down. And then we got all these lovely tiles to get rid of, so it's going to cause a bit of a mess. So we've already just started that a little bit there because we've got to take that RSJ out, take it further up so we got a nice flat roof. And then just take all this out. This goodness here. Yep, that's about it really. We've got to leave this because it's like holding the stairs and the back of the house up, so it's just going to be all this coming out here. We're going to raise it so it's in the roof, so it's nice and flat, and then we're going into here, which is the garage, so we're going to have to raise this ceiling, and then we're going to partition it halfway across, and then this will be my garage workshop for YouTube. So drop me a like if you want it to be my YouTube garage, and then hopefully when we get the garage sorted, that back bit there is going to be my shed. So just, it's all work in progress, so please don't judge because we will be getting there really soon. So if the lady is ready, which is there, I think we should start. So what's first, I might strap the GoPro onto it, to be fair, because I don't really want to get brick dust and that on the camera. So what we'll do, we'll just show you, I'm no builder, so it's just like budget milk. That's what we should call it, budget milk, episode 1. Yeah, so we might stick to the GoPro and get some footage. Or you best get working, you know, you're not just sitting on that.
Don't zoom in.
Oh, it's zooming on, it's focusing on my face, what the hell?
Okay.
Oh. She's scared of the camera, so right, we'll get to it. So what we're going to do first, we're going to take these covers down just to get this wall free, and then she's going to help because I'm going to let her to use the drill. I'll teach her how to use the drill.
Teach me.
Yeah, and then we'll start with the top cupboards, then put them in the living room because we ain't got much space. And then we can get rid of that cupboard, that cupboard, that cupboard. Obviously I don't touch gas, so leaving that until someone that messes with gas can do that. And then obviously same with the sink, so sweet, then we get to it. Smashed it. Oh, this one.
These are painted in. They've got paint on them.
Have they? Oh, not too bad, I guess.
Can you grab it?
Yeah, what's that? 3, 2, 1. There we go. Cover cupboard is off. Hey! I'm a beast. Whoa, we've got some wood to burn.
What's next?
Just set the top off now. That's what we gotta do.
Cupboards?
Yeah, you can do when you get all your breast milk out of there. A big boy screws, man. I think that's got that one. The top one's got to be taken out, man.
One to go. If you can do it.
I'll pull it.
What's in there? Woohoo!
Drop this on the floor.
What a lovely wall we've got underneath. Struggling. Still struggling.
Fuck you. I don't know how I'm gonna get that off, man. That bolt was basically shattered. Not like plugging anything here, but if you don't have these Chris, you haven't lived. Let's just be fair. So what we've done, well, what I've done, while someone's been on the phone Snapchatting, I've removed the screws for the worktop, which is A and B, and then what holds it to the wall, which is one screw. I've just disconnected that. You're gonna undo that, poke it back through, and then pull this out, and then we are cabinetless apart from that. What we're doing now is I'm switching over to the GoPro because I don't want to ruin my camera. So safety first. Well, I ain't got no safety glasses, so these are gonna have to do. And one of the things for your face. Oh, I don't know what monkey on then. I think it's probably the glasses. So yeah, switch over to the GoPro and show you taking the being a dickhead. So we'll switch over now. Process. I'm doing a hammer, and then obviously I'm not wearing the best protection in the world, so make sure you're wearing proper trousers and boots because you might want to move because this shoots. Oh, just get it out. So this is where we're at the moment. We've got to put the plaster off. Put the plaster off. What? Oh, fuck's sake. She snapped the thing. Bloody hell. Why'd you look at the floor? So take the plaster off until it's bare brick, just that size, and then start taking the ceiling there, which is going to be fun.
Taking the plaster off the walls. Taking the plaster off the walls. Absolute nightmare.
Right then, we're all done for today. What we've done is move part of the ceiling. We've just got to go over the edges, and then we've got to remove the lath. Got the brick showing so that when we put the RSJ in, we know we can take part of the bricks out. Took all the tiles off here, all around there. Tiles, and then same again. I've got to get that bit of the wall exactly like that. And take the lath off and go around there like that, and then we've got to remove the ceiling there. But other than that, it's been a productive day. Obviously this is something completely different. Like, obviously I love doing cars and stuff, so it's somewhat different, I guess. Let me know what you think. Does it work videoing other stuff, or should I only do cars? Let me know, because I'm like in two minds on what to do. So much appreciated. See you later. Until the next one.